We've got ourselves a by God blizzard going on out there. And there's some poor some bitches gonna have to go into work tonight, and I'm glad I ain't one of them. Just filming out the door here. That's southwestern Wisconsin being under siege right now by a by God blizzard situation. I mean, you've got a situation and then you've got a situation. Situation is more serious and worse than a situation. This is definitely a situation right there. Not a good situation. You had to drive in that out there? Not good. You'd be fucked. That's a situation. That's a by God situation right there. That's not good. And the door is closing on the deal of taking a DH from work. Designated holiday, by God. We're supposed to be up to the Dells this weekend, but instead I'm here at home, but a lot better than the poor fuckers that gotta go into work, let me tell you that much. That's not a good situation to be driving in right there. That could be problematic. That's a situation right there. That's some bad fucking weather. Look at that. Goddamn right. That's fucking bad right there. That's just, it's not going well out there. We're gonna close the door on that situation.